What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to head out the back garden, give it a clean up and get some more welding done. So I put down a weed killer and it worked. So what I'm going to do is pick up all the poo, pull up all the sods, bin it, get rid of everything out of the way and get all this moved and get started with more welding for the frame. Now that's poo patrol dealt with. What I'm going to do now is just rip up all of this absolute crap and yeah, just get it tidied and get all over there done then. So that's most of the heavy stuff out. I do need to rake it back a bit and I do need to get more stones to put on top, and then the slabs we have over there can start be putting down. But for now it's starting to look really good. I'm going to whack some more weed killer down on top of it while it's bare just to keep it off. I will be doing some more stones and then a plastic sheet, the slabs. Also have to get all of this done now, so YouTube magic. And that's that done. I still have a bit to do just here. We'll get that done later. It's starting to rain now, so I'm going to clean up, get everything away, and we'll have a look at the rest now. Now let's get all this crap out of the way. Now with all that crap out of the way, it gives us a nice big area for setting up the welder, getting all this welded together. Just weld it on each corner, then put one in the middle and then one either side. Then we can just straighten it up with all the squares that we have, and we have some magnetic corner pieces that hold it into place while we're welding it. But unfortunately it is starting to rain, so we're gonna leave it there for now until we come back on another day, hopefully tomorrow. It doesn't look like rain tomorrow, but it does look like rain now. You can feel it in the air. It's starting to drizzle down, so yeah, see you in a few minutes. It will be another day, hopefully tomorrow or the next day, where it's nice and sunny and we'll get welding done. We have a beautiful day, so what I'm going to do is get the angle grinders out, grind down all the corners, tack it all together, and then get the two bars, well, one in the middle, one that side, get them all tacked in, square up the frame and then blast it over. So let's get this done. Now we're rocking along with the welding. I'm just welding in these parts here. So I cut one for here, there's one for in the middle, and then one for over this side as well. All the corners are welded. I measured it, it's all 10 foot here, 10 foot here, 10 foot there, and 10 foot there. So the frame is square. So now I'm going to get all these 170 inch cut, put one here and then one further back, and then weld them all in, and then I'm going to do one here, and one here. So let's get this done. Right, we have our bar welded in there. We have this one welded in as well. I'm just going to do some bars across just to keep it strong, like the one we done up against the wall here, like so. So let's get all these cross bits in, and then that's that wall done. Right guys, that's that done there now. It looks really good, I have to say, nice and strong. I just need to flip it over and weld on the other side. So yeah, it's really hot out. I'm just gonna get that done today, and we'll move on to the back panel tomorrow. Yeah, I'm absolutely knackered. But yeah, that took a few hours. It's tedious work, but it has to be done. So that's one side here done, and then this side on the ground is all done. So that is it for this episode. Make sure give the video a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know. Absolutely shattered. Let me know what you think of the videos. Hopefully we'll get the whole back wall done in the next video, cut down these trees and start putting panels on the back. So yeah, let's go. Peace out, be dedicated, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.